Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to display milliseconds in VLC version 3.0.21. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Step 1. First, head over to the website linked in the video description. Once you're there, click the download button to get the necessary files. Now, navigate to the folder on your computer where the file was downloaded. Open the .zip file you just downloaded. Step 2. Inside the .zip, you'll find a folder labeled Extension. Drag the file from the extension folder into the extension folder located in your VLC installation directory. Now let's move on to the next step. Locate the intf folder within the zip. Repeat the same process by dragging the contents from the intf folder into the corresponding intf folder in your VLC directory. Step 3. With those files in place, it's time to open up VLC. Once VLC is launched, go to the View menu at the top. Click on Time v3.2 and make sure to select Save. This is important for the changes to take effect. Step 4. Now restart VLC to apply your new settings. When it's back up, open any video file you like, and there you have it. You should now see the milliseconds displayed at the top right corner of the screen while your video plays. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.